Welcome to Wander and Discover. Today, we'll explore countries that are perfect for your first-time solo adventure. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cultures, these destinations have it all. So, fasten your seatbelts and let curiosity be your compass as we traverse the globe, unraveling the mysteries and magic that await. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the land of fire and ice, Iceland. A Nordic wonderland known for its awe-inspiring natural beauty, Iceland is a solo traveler's paradise. Picture yourself soaking in the ethereal milky blue waters of the Blue Lagoon, chasing the elusive dance of the Northern Lights, and venturing behind cascading waterfalls that seem to flow from another realm. Iceland's friendly locals and low crime rates ensure that you'll feel welcome and safe throughout your adventure. Next up is the vast and diverse land of Canada. From the dramatic peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the vibrant multicultural cities, Canada offers an enchanting mix of experiences for solo female travelers. Hike along picturesque trails, spot wildlife in their natural habitats, and embrace the warm hospitality of Canadians. Whether you're exploring the enchanting old town of Quebec or wandering through the stunning landscapes of Banff National Park, Canada's reputation for safety and inclusiveness makes it an ideal destination to embark on your first solo journey. Moving to the Southern Hemisphere, we arrive in the captivating realm of New Zealand. This adventurer's paradise beckons with its breathtaking landscapes and boundless opportunities for outdoor exploration. Immerse yourself in the rich Maori culture, go bungee jumping in Queenstown, and discover the magical glowworm caves in Waitomo. New Zealand's friendly and welcoming atmosphere will make you feel like you're part of one big, adventurous family. Now let's venture to Finland, where fairy tale landscapes and Nordic wonders await. Lapland, in the northern reaches, offers an unparalleled experience with reindeer safaris, snow-covered forests, and the chance to witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Embrace the vibrant design scene in Helsinki. Enjoy the Finnish sauna culture and bask in the tranquility of this safe and stunning destination. Prepare to be enchanted by the land of the rising sun, Japan. Step into a world where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovations. Stroll through the bustling streets of Tokyo, where neon lights illuminate the sky like stars. Visit Kyoto's temples and gardens, where you can find moments of serene tranquility amidst the city's energy. Japan's reputation for safety, cleanliness, and genuine hospitality make it an extraordinary destination for solo female travelers. Welcome to Portugal, a country steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. Lose yourself in the enchanting alleys of Lisbon, where fado music fills the air, and indulge in the sumptuous flavors of Portuguese cuisine. Explore the stunning beaches of the Algarve, and find yourself embraced by the warmth and friendliness of the locals. Portugal's relaxed and safe ambiance invites you to immerse yourself fully in this captivating destination. Next, let's set foot on the Emerald Isle, Ireland. A land of ancient myths and legends, Ireland boasts breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, and the renowned hospitality of its people. Stand in awe before the majestic cliffs of Moher, raise a glass in Dublin's legendary pubs, and experience the magic of ancient castles. Ireland's warm and welcoming atmosphere makes it a delightful and safe destination for solo female travelers. Our next stop takes us to the futuristic marvel of Southeast Asia, Singapore. A city-state that seamlessly fuses diverse cultures, Singapore is a treat for the senses. Be amazed by the iconic gardens by the bay, immerse yourself in the vibrant hawker centers serving delicious street food, and marvel at the city's architectural wonders. Singapore's impeccable cleanliness, efficient transportation, and low crime rates ensure that you can explore this modern metropolis with peace of mind. Welcome to Croatia, where ancient history blends seamlessly with breathtaking coastal beauty. Explore the sun-kissed shores of the Adriatic Sea, wander through charming medieval towns, and delve into the rich cultural tapestry that Croatia offers. The warm hospitality of the locals and the sense of safety make it an idyllic destination for solo travelers seeking both relaxation and exploration. Now we journey to Austria, a country that beautifully combines history, art, and breathtaking alpine scenery. Explore the imperial elegance of Vienna, where classical music resonates through grand concert halls. Take in the splendor of the Austrian Alps, where winter sports and summer hikes await. Austria's emphasis on safety, along with its cultural delights and friendly locales, ensures an enriching experience for solo female travelers. Now we journey to Norway, a land of awe-inspiring fjords, majestic mountains, and charming villages. Experience the midnight sun in the Arctic Circle, marvel at the dancing northern lights, and immerse yourself in the rich Viking history. Norway's emphasis on safety, along with its stunning natural wonders and friendly locales, ensures an enriching experience for solo female travelers. Our final destination is Sweden, a country of contrasting landscapes and a dynamic cultural scene. Discover the captivating beauty of Stockholm's archipelago, where scenic islands and historic landmarks await. Experience the magical midnight sun in Swedish Lapland and immerse yourself in Swedish design and innovation. Sweden's safety-conscious approach, along with its modernity and rich history, promises an extraordinary journey for solo female travelers. Congratulations! You've now discovered 12 exceptional destinations that promise safe and exhilarating experiences for first-time solo female travelers. Remember to trust your instincts, stay informed about local customs, and embrace the adventure that lies ahead. So pack your bags, ignite your wanderlust, and embark on a journey of self-discovery. As you explore these incredible destinations, always remember, the world is your playground, and adventure awaits at every turn. Safe travels, and until next time, keep wandering with wonder. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more empowering travel content. Let us know in the comments below which destination you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels, and may your wanderlust continue to lead you to extraordinary places.